Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is about a question that I received from someone asking if they'll have any issues getting a green card through their second marriage if their green card application through their first marriage was denied. So this situation involves somebody who got married and applied for a green card. The green card application was denied, and then that marriage fell apart and the couple ended up divorced. This person that needs a green card is now remarried, so now this is a second different marriage, different spouse, and they want to try to apply for a green card again, and they're wondering if they'll have any issues the second time around. Maybe. If you applied for a green card through a first marriage and then that application is denied, you have to wait 5 years before you can apply for a green card again. And the reason for this is because immigration doesn't want to encourage people to just jump from one marriage to the other to try to get a green card. Immigration already assumes that when you're getting married and you're applying for a green card based on marriage, they're already assuming that you're doing that because you wanted the green card, that you got married in the first place to get the green card. So if you get married, apply for a green card, don't get it, you have to wait 5 years before you can try again. So as long as your application is being filed 5 years after the first one, you shouldn't have any issues. But I'd still recommend speaking with an immigration attorney just in case some issues come up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration cases. And please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching.